Kyle Jorgensen. Today I'm just briefly going to go over one of our machines. This is an R-SMART 4-roll. This particular machine is a 5-footer. Now we can build this machine, basically any length and capacity. And we have our standard machines. We can also build it in custom lengths, custom capacities, depending on your application. I'm just going to start this machine and just quickly go over some of the standard features of it. It's a hydraulic 4-roll. So I've got adjustment on my side roll, both sides obviously, it's 4-roll. Full range. Now, I can also go to conic, adjust for tilt if I go to cone or different applications. Just tilting my side roll, I can flip back to parallel, and I'll stay in that position. Back out of conic, back to 0, because I've got 6 dealer readouts, I know my positioning. Back to parallel, back parallel. I'm going to hydraulic drop in. I've got a cone snubber system. Bearing on it, just reverse it, harden the surface. I've got adjustable pinch pressure for my pinch roll. Material there, so it's like belt pressure. I've got a safety cable. It kills the machine. I just reset it. It will start the machine. Forward reverse. Center 2 rolls are driven standard on the machine. You can optionally drive the 2 side rolls if you need it. It'll depend on your application. But standard, we drive the center 2 rolls on the R-SMART. It's driven by a hydraulic motor, planetary gearbox. The control panel, the standard control panel. You can see I've got 6 digital readouts. So, tells me position of my side roll, obviously, right and left side roll, or X and Y axis. Now again, if I go to conic, see if that was my conic that I wanted my tilt, go back to parallel, it's going to maintain the same ratio. Go back to 0. I'm also able to set waypoints. So if I had a certain diameter or position, let's say you discovered my pre-bend position on a part and I set it, and then my rolling position, I could go to set 2 and the roll. So I got set 2. So when I come, the roll is going to stop on that position. So I could, you understand what I'm saying. But just easy, friendly, strong, well-built machine that we're very proud of. It's a very good machine. And we'd love to build one